By reputation, Chicago is supposed to be the Windy City, but this is Boston, land of the bean and the cod, and just one of the East Coast cities buffeted by hurricane-force winds. It was not the perfect day for a stroll through Back Bay. In fact, for many, it was a hair-raising experience. A 300-foot boom on a mobile crane snapped and came crashing down on 10 parked cars at the MIT campus in Cambridge, doing heavy damage. Luckily, no one was hurt. New Yorkers also felt the fury of the gale, with winds gusting to 82 miles an hour in some parts of the state. It was tough going for most pedestrians, especially when it arrived following a day of balmy spring-like temperatures. Any reports of flying saucers were more likely to be wind-tossed derby hats. In lower Manhattan, a water main break sends a stream 5 stories high. Shifting winds blew the water in all directions for 2 hours, flooding a large section of the street and providing quite a show. Forecast, windy and wet, but only 10 buildings were affected by the water cutoff, and the geyser was tamed in short order.